Founded in 2005, 3H Incorporated is a professional hardware accessories production manufacturer for aluminum, UPVC doors and windows system, glass curtain wall and door control system. They are the modern enterprise group that have R&D and production capacity for both window and door hardware accessories and rubber sealing strips. Our company's production base in Foshan covers a total floor area of 300,000 square meters, with net assets of over 100 million RMB. The company has more than 1,600 employees, 32 sets imported 45-ton to 200-ton automatic punching machines, 26 sets imported die casting machine equipments, 4 robot polishing equipments, Gemma spraying line, 500 sets types of riveting equipments and other advanced production equipment, supplemented by modern scientific management, provides a solid foundation for strong production capacity and quality assurance. The company has been deeply plowing in the door and window industry for more than 40 years and has accumulated rich experience in the industry. The company has all kinds of professional registration personnel, more than 150 personnel, more than 80 R&D engineer, and about 48 technical support to provide our customers with professional system accessories solutions. We hope all our valued customer using our products to build a beautiful, safe, energy-saving environment, creating value for society. We are looking for partner all over the world. Welcome to visit our company and wish to cooperate with you.